Hello, my name is Hunter Sanders, and this is my Life Binder. If you look at it, you can see that there is a few table of contents that repeat themselves. I could not seem to get all of the information under one tab. If you can do that, it is something that I was unfortunate to find. So I just went ahead and made another tab because I did find some information that I would like to include. So we have 2 over teaching in today's inclusive classroom. We have 2 over collaboration and cooperative teaching. We have 1 over policy practices and processes. I have a tab over IEPs. There's a tab over response to intervention, and then following it is uh, it's a tab just breaking down RTIs. And after that is differentiated instruction. And then we have barriers in learning and in the learning environment for child education, and then also one for adult education. And then I have a tab for universal design of learning. Under the first tab, it's just a short little video, and it explains the 6 core principles of IDEA. And if you go to the next tab, if you click on this link, it will take you to a little handout, and it goes over and it explains everything about the 6 principles of IDEA and goes into a more depth about it. Okay, and then the next tab is a video, and it introduces the idea of collaboration and cooperative teaching in the classroom. And then if you go to the next tab, this is just a website, and it gives you examples of what it looks like in the classroom and how you can incorporate it eventually into the classroom. Next, we have policies, practices, and processes, and for this one, it's just a short little video, and it's over the 8 components of IEPs. And if you go to this tab, it goes into more depth about IEPs. It also gives you perspective for parents, for kids, for teens, and also for educators. Next, we have response to intervention, and this is just a video that explains it and opens the idea about it. And I found this website, and it gives you a lot more information about it and how you can respond appropriately inside your classroom. For differentiated instruction, there's a short little YouTube video, and it goes over what that is inside the classroom. For barriers in the learning environment of child education, this website gives you multiple examples of what to look for in the classroom. It gives a lot of good information about them. And then in this tab, it's about adult education, and it's about the barriers that adults go through in their life. And this is a website, and it's about this man. His name is Tim, and it's just it goes on about the barriers that he accomplished and how he got through it. And then for the last tab, we have Universal Design of Learning, and this website has multiple videos, and it gives you everything that you need to know about how to go about one and how to possibly test for one and what to look for and what to expect while making one. And that's my binder.